Hello friends! In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a US proxy server. We will use an online tool to make our proxy from scratch without wasting time on manual configuration and do it all automatically. It will take us just a few minutes and we will be able to have our proxy server in any location within the US. To host our proxy, we need to have an account with a cloud provider. We will use AWS and Hetzner for this tutorial, but the tool currently supports 6 cloud providers. We will be able to choose any availability zone where our cloud provider offers Linux servers with Ubuntu or Debian. When logging into Cloud Proxy Lab, in the Accounts area, we must add our preferred cloud account. You have the instructions to add the account at the top of the form. Once you have added them, in the Proxies page, we need to click on Create Proxy. In this form, it is very important to choose the location of our proxy. In this case, we will choose the United States. We can see the available zones, and we are free to choose the one we want. Once the proxy server configuration is finished, we just have to click on the Next button and wait about 60 seconds. Cloud Proxy Lab is doing all the configuration and raising the proxy server. Once finished, you will be able to connect. I am currently demonstrating that the newly created proxies work. Thanks for watching the video. If you need help, feel free to comment on this video.